Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play Lesotho, Nviiri. It's an easy song, very beginner friendly, so if you're a beginner, this one shouldn't stress you. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area. And if you learn from this tutorial, give me a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these videos, and I will surely appreciate if you did so. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any future tutorials. So guys, with that aside, let's kick off right after this. This song is in the key of B, and the progression is 4, 5, 1, 7, 6, 4, 5, 1, 7, 6. So the 1 is an E chord, the 5 is F sharp major chord, the 1 is a B chord, 7 I'm playing A sharp minor chord, and then 6 is G sharp minor chord. So well, the E chord, this is how I'm holding the E chord. I'm using my pointer finger on the first fret, string number 3, my middle finger, string number 5 on the second fret, and my ring finger, string number 4 on the second fret. E. Then the chord that follows is F sharp major chord. So I'm barring with my pointer finger, second fret, barring string 1 to 6, and then my middle finger, string number 3 on the third fret, my ring finger, string number 5 on the fourth fret, and my small finger, string number 4 on the fourth fret too. So this is a F sharp major chord. The chord that follows is a B chord. So for this B chord, my pointer finger, I'm gonna play the 5th fret on the 5th string on the second fret, and then with my ring finger, I'm gonna fret string number 1, string number 2, 3, and 4 on the 4th fret. So B chord. And then this A sharp minor chord. So A sharp minor chord, I'm using my pointer finger to bar string 1 all the way to 5 on the first fret. My middle finger will be on the second string, second fret. My ring finger, string number 4 on the third fret, and my small finger, string number 3 on the third fret. So that's A sharp minor chord. And then finally the G sharp minor chord. So G sharp minor chord, you have two options. You can either play the full bar chord as so, where you will bar with your pointer finger, you bar the 4th fret, you're barring string 1 to 6 on the 4th fret, and then your ring finger on the 6th fret, string number 5, and your small finger 6th fret, string number 4. Or you can play it as so, where you will use your pointer finger to bar string 1, 2, and 3, and then your ring finger will be on the string 1, 2, 3 with your pointer finger on the 4th fret, and then your ring finger on the 6th fret, 4th string. So those are the chords for this song. You can either play it as from the open chords, this far end, or you can also play it from here. Or you can, mix them up. Well, on the rhythm, that's how you will play this song. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just feel free to let me know in the comment area, and subscribe if you're new here, and give me a thumbs up if you learned from this tutorial. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.